Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leave Insert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos.
Construction 4, line perpendicular to a given line L, passing through a given point on L. Okay, this construction is on every course. What does it mean? Well, the worksheet that's given on SquirrelNet is this one here. So it's construct a line, I'm just going to get the wording what's here, construct a line perpendicular to a given line from a point on the line, and they've labelled that point P. Okay, so I'd like to create a perpendicular line to that, which means the line must be coming right down at it, so that I end up with 90 degrees between that line I'm about to draw and this line P. So how do you do it? How do you set your compass to, and it's compass and a straight edge, so I have my compass and my ruler. You set your compass to a reasonable width, put the needle into P, and create an arc both sides of that point P. Okay, and you can see I did not change the width of the compass when I was doing it. They are the same width. Okay, you can call the points a letter if you wish. I've just made up or an S there because they're close letters to P, but you can call them anything you want. And then what you do is from this point here, this point that I've now called R, I can change the width of my compass if I want. I create some arcs above the point P. And again, the same width from that point that I called S above the point P. Thinking being that if I join these crosshairs together here through P, I will have a line perpendicular to P. So how does it work? Well, it works because the distance from P to R and P to S was the same. Okay, so these are the same distance from P. And then these crosshairs, these little arcs that I create, are equal distance from R and S, and they're right above P. Okay, so then get your ruler. And draw in that line. Okay, now why does all of the construction say compass and a straight edge? Well, the reason for that is they don't want you using a protractor to draw your 90-degree angle. Okay, because obviously that's really easy to do. You could just put it down onto your diagram, and there's a reflection there. You can see your 90-degree angle. Okay, so we line him up. So you can see the line I drew there is perfectly at 90 degrees. Okay, that is not a construction, that's just measuring an angle, so that's what they don't want you to do. But it's really handy for what I'm doing here, and it's checking that my construction is right, okay? If it wasn't right, I would rub out my construction and do it again. So this is your right angle, so whichever symbols you want for right angle, put them in there, and that is a line perpendicular to P. Okay, can I do it this way? Well, yes, it's the same thing. And you can see I have twisted my page as I need to, and again I'm going to create these 2 points equidistant, which means the same distance from P. Okay, let's call them X and Y for here because it doesn't matter, and I'm going to make it a bit bigger, and I only make it bigger so that I end up being a nice height above P, so it's easier for me to work with. Okay, but the height above P doesn't mathematically matter. Okay, so then with my ruler, through P, from P, through those crosshairs, I draw in that line. So that line is perpendicular to this line here through the given point, which was P.